Hey, how you doing? This is Side. I'm back with another video. Okay, so today's video we're going to talk about the skills, abilities, and personality traits required in order to succeed. Have the best chance of success in affiliate marketing. So, fortunately, affiliate marketing is a very much beginner and newbie friendly business and does not require much technical or specific skills or abilities, or experience. However, what's needed is some general skills and abilities that probably we all have acquired throughout at some part throughout our life experiences. Okay, so in addition, there are some special mindset, character, values, traits, and abilities you must develop, learn and develop if you do not have them already, in order to succeed and remain in the business, have longevity and sustainability in your business. Okay, and these are essential, which will contribute towards your success and help you in times of need and hardship. Because let me advise you that there will be ups and downs in affiliate marketing, just like life and business in general, and therefore you need to be strong and have the willingness to get back up, keep on moving. And when the going gets tough, things don't work out for you as planned, then you need to be strong and just get up and just continue. All right, with that said, let's first look at what sort of skills and abilities you need to start your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so you do not need any specific computer or technical skills. However, you do need to have some basic computer and internet operating skills, such as browsing the internet, searching Google, signing up for web-based services. You need to have some basic word processing skills, as you'll be required to type up various types of content pieces and marketing pieces. All right, so don't worry, you don't need any special grade in English. You just need to be able to type up as the way you talk, as that's one of the best ways to be informal and friendly with your audience. And of course, you'd also learn some copywriting skills, special marketing related English word and stuff like that, the way you put sentences, so that you can sell products. Okay, it's called copywriting. Okay, you probably know about it. So you do not need any qualifications in marketing or business. You do not need any previous experience in marketing or business. You must be willing to learn and be coachable, because there's a lot to learn, and there's a lot of coaches out there that you're going to be learning from, mentors and coaches in the affiliate marketing industry, in the marketing industry, business industry. So you must be willing to learn and be coachable. You must be willing to implement and take action on what you learn. This is very important. It's not just good just learning about it. You must be willing to implement and take action on what you learn. Okay, because that's when your business starts moving, when you start doing things, when you start taking action. Okay, without action, nothing will happen in your business. Right, you must be willing to take action, do the things, even if it's mundane, boring things, stuff that needs to be done. All right, as you'll be promoting other people's products, you do not need to have your own products, which is great. Benefit of affiliate marketing, as you do not need to deal with the hardships of creating, stocking, managing products, physical products or digital products, wherever, dealing with transaction fees, refunds, and processing, transactions, etc. So let's now look at some of the important mindset, character, values, and personality traits that you must have and develop as you operate your affiliate marketing business. Okay, and please be advised that some of the things might put you off, as you may think, why the hell do I need all of this? But trust me, this stuff is not just required for business. It will also help you become the best, very best version of yourself, improve yourself, and help you and succeed in other areas of your life. Okay, personal life, business life, working life, other aspects of life in general. Okay, you'll see, the things that I want to go through. Some of it is common sense, some of it is good stuff, that to make you a better person. All right, and I'm pretty sure you probably possess most of these anyways. In that case, take them as a reminder. Okay, so you must be willing to always be honest and ethical in every activity that you engage in, either in your day-to-day business operations and to your audience that you'll be serving, the people that you'll be working with, collaborating with in your affiliate marketing business. Okay, honesty and ethical, it's a must. All right, you shouldn't mislead people, you shouldn't lie to people, stuff like that. You must be willing to learn from your mistakes and failures and continue moving along and striving. Okay, So you must be willing to invest and take calculated and strategic risks. For example, you must be willing to invest in tools, resources, advertising in order to grow your business, right? You must be willing to think positive and believe and be optimistic about certain things. For example, if you don't believe that you can earn a certain amount which you've never earned before, then you probably won't earn it, okay? Your beliefs can become your thoughts and then your reality. Because you believe that you can't earn a certain amount, you will think of the actions that will help that belief, which is to do nothing about it because you believe that it can't happen. So instead, give yourself a possibility, that it can happen, and start believing that you can earn a certain amount, regardless of your current circumstances, situations, whatever it is that right now, your current state, forget about the past, just start believing first. That's the first thing you must do, is believe. Okay, if you've got a goal, ambition, income goal, whatever, and a goal that you've never earned or whatever, you must believe first. Make a decision that you believe that you're gonna achieve it, right? That and then start with that belief, and then you'll see things will happen. Okay, so if you want to learn more about how you can think and grow rich and make your dreams become reality just by thinking and believing, and of course taking action, then check out the following resources. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill book. The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. It's a video on YouTube. It's about a 30-minute video. It's very, very good video. Excellent video. You should check it out. It's a free video. And The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. It's a book, and a video version can be found also on YouTube, and you can watch it for free probably. Okay, it's about an hour long or something like that. So those are the free resources that you can check out, that will help you believe and think your way to success. Okay, and of course action is important. You must take action as well. Right, so you must be willing to be kind, generous, polite, friendly, considerate, and trustworthy. You must be a servant to your audience, not in a slave-like way, but a helping way. Serve the people that you're recommending products to in the best way possible. You must operate your business with integrity. You must be focused to complete a task that you started without being distracted by useless activities such as TV, entertainment, social media, browsing, etc. Of course, social media plays an important part when it comes to marketing, which you'll of course learn about. Probably not are aware that social media marketing is big. But I'm talking about social media browsing. Okay, that's for entertainment purposes, which is useless. Okay, you must be willing to work hard and smart. So working hard alone won't get you, much places, but you must be willing to work smart as well. Okay, it's called strategic, doing certain things in a certain way, right? So willing to work hard and smart where required. You must be ambitious and think big and not small. So don't worry about the how, start thinking big, and with the right mindset, skills and actions, your goals and ambitions can become reality. So start thinking big. It's also related to believing as well. Okay, so you must believe big, think big. So for example, my one financial goal for this year is to earn $1 million in a single year. Okay, I've never earned that amount. Okay, but I first started with the belief that I can achieve it. Then that belief generated thoughts in my mind of how it can be achieved. How can I achieve this? Then these thoughts generated ideas on promoting affiliate products and generating X amount of sales, of a particular product or a line of products to earn this amount. Now I'm learning and implementing strategies that will generate those affiliate sales in order to bring me closer to my income goal. I may not achieve it within the time frame, but the process and striving for it alone will bring me great benefits as I'm learning so much whilst working to achieve it. For example, I'm learning about marketing skills, landing pages, creating landing pages, lead magnets, all the marketing related stuff that I'm learning, which will help me grow my business. And those skills and experience will snowball and compound in a greater way, which of course will help me grow my affiliate marketing business and potentially help me reach my income goal sooner or later. Okay, so even if you don't reach your goal, it's still going to be a great benefit to you. Okay, because you're going to learn in the process. Okay, it's about the process, it's about the journey. Okay, so you must be willing to not give up, persevere, and have patience, because you may realize that at some point that you put in so much effort but no results or little results. Okay, and you're thinking, is this all worth it? Okay, And this is where your perseverance and patience will come into effect, okay? You come into practice. There are countless stories of success stories, perseverance and patience that paid off eventually. For example, Walt Disney, he got fired from his job. He had a failed company, rejected by Hollywood for his Mickey Mouse character. He persevered and did not give up. Now, look where Walt Disney is. It's a giant in the entertainment industry. Another example, Starbucks founder, went over, over 200 banks for a loan for Starbucks, but was rejected, and he kept on going. Now Starbucks is a worldwide brand. One more example, Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, the creator of the book's author, rejected 12 publishers and finally got a publisher. Now it's a multi-billion-dollar brand, Harry Potter. So you must be willing to persevere, have patience, okay? And it does pay off. It will pay off eventually, okay? So it can pay off. I'm not saying guarantee it will pay off, but a lot of times it can pay off. But you must be willing to persevere. So you must be willing to be a student, a learner, and then apply and teach what you know. This is huge, because the more people that you can help, the more potential of you earning, because of all the money that you will earn will come from people. So if you can help people in a happily, genuine way, and then those people will like you, trust you, and won't want to buy from you. So you must be willing to be confident, professional, sincere, and courageous as well, okay? As you can see, there's quite a bit that you need to develop and become in order to build a long-lasting, successful affiliate marketing business. And in the process, you would have improved yourself as a person so that you can give back to the world. Because the more you give in terms of value and contribution, the more you can potentially receive in financial and other aspects. Rewards in life, such as friendships, relationships, and people wanting to do business with you and be associated with you. So that's it for now, and that's the skills, abilities, personal traits required to have some success in affiliate marketing. Okay, and as I said, you must be willing to have these skills, develop these skills if you don't have them. Okay, it's a must. I reckon it's a must. Okay, because okay, so that's it. All right, so yeah, so that's it for now. And if you like some free resources on how to build a grow an affiliate marketing business, visit affiliateship.com/free. I'll put the link in the YouTube description below. And thanks for watching. That's for now. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, and see you next time.